Money. It's great stuff. But does it make you happy? I read an interesting story in Forbes magazine about three young men, all in their middle to late 30s, who had formed a successful electronics firm and sold out to a much larger company for several millions of dollars, making each of the three quite rich. Each of them was asked by the Forbes reporter, has this wealth and the leisure, the opportunity to now do anything you want to do, made you happy? In each case, the answer was no. I know that sounds ridiculous to many, but it's true all the same. The proof that it is true is that each of the three young millionaires soon went right back to work to start all over again. They all tried the life of leisure, and they all gave it up as an unhappy, unfulfilling, unrewarding, and boring form of existence. They found that they were happiest when they were working hardest to achieve the success and riches they finally won and then didn't want. It should tell us something. So man strives all his working career for leisure and financial security, and when he gets it, he's miserable. The answer? It's to understand in advance that we need something interesting in which we can busy ourselves for a good part of our days. Time off is fine if you have something to come back to, something that needs to be done and which you enjoy doing. Understanding this in advance, we can plan in advance. We can make sure we develop an avocation that will keep us in the stream of things, keep us busy as much as we want to be busy after we retire. The story of the three young millionaires proves we need it.